So now that we finished making our video on our phone, let's go ahead and take that footage and upload it onto LinkedIn. So once you have the LinkedIn application open, just click on the little plus sign at the very bottom to start a new post, and then select the photo icon to bring up your gallery. From here, you'll select the video you want to post and then click on that blue arrow. Once you're here, you can start typing in essentially what you want to post. I like to put all of my notes inside of Asana. I have that open, here we go, and copy this and then just paste that into my LinkedIn post. That way I'm not typing everything out. You can do it on notes as well, but I love using Asana, which is free to use. Now, one thing you will notice is you don't have the option to edit your thumbnail or upload caption files, but that's okay, because the way that we made this video is we have already our thumbnail at the very beginning of the video, and we put our captions inside the video, so they're already embedded within the video. Now let's just say you didn't do that. Well, you can watch this video on how I created this video so you can do that, or you can download this application. It's called Browser, and it allows you to view certain websites just like you would on your desktop. So once you've downloaded that application, which is free to use, then go over to linkedin.com, sign into your account, and then click on Start a Post. So once you're at Create a Post, go ahead and just scroll down a little bit and then select on the video icon, and then let's select Photo Gallery, click All, and then find the video that we want. So this one right over here. Perfect. And then click on Choose. When you follow this process, it will compress your footage, meaning it will upload a lower quality video format because you are uploading it using this application. But this is the only way to upload using your phone a thumbnail. If you want to keep the high resolution, then I recommend you upload using your computer. Pick and choose your battles. Now, once it uploads it into that browser, now we have the option to click on Edit and upload our own thumbnail. So click on Select File, Photo Gallery, and then go into All Photos. Select the photo that you want, click on that one, perfect, done. And then it will upload the thumbnail with your video. Isn't that amazing? If you have a SRT file, you can upload that too. Let's click on Save. That way it puts everything together, then click on Next. And now you can write everything into the post and then upload your videos with thumbnails and SRT files to LinkedIn using your phone. You have those options available to you. So if you learned something valuable today, please make sure to hit that like button to let everybody else know about this awesome feature that we just went over, and hit subscribe if you want to learn more about how to become a better video content creator, or you just love the fact that I showed you how to do this. So have a great day, and we'll be hopefully watching some more videos of myself soon. Yeah, hit that subscribe, hit that like, just hit every single button in this video, okay? Just kidding. See ya.